Okay. Here, I'll put it down.
You pump.
Okay, I'll pump it. Just remember, if it gets too close to the camera, you don't really have to touch it, okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yup.
All right.
Let it go.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah! Oh, man! Whoa!
All right, you go get it. Go put him down there.
Oh, man!
How'd that look? I'll talk to the camera. Hurry up.
Hurry.
Did that look cool?
Yeah. Do another one real quick.
Well, take your time. There's no race. Nothing but the sun. But can you get them all the way down here?
Hopefully.
All right.
Good?
I'm waiting on you. Come on, buddy.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
All right.